भक्ता विहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यां वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रा ततो मम नास्ति गतिर्न कापि श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद पद्म।
So first of all, my obeisance to my Guru Pada Padma, Nitya Vishnu Vishnu Pad, Suttarashat, Shishmad Bhaktivedanta Slavamana Goswami Maharaj, Nitya Vishnu Vishnu Pad, Suttarashat, Shri Narayan Goswami Maharaj, to their lotus feet, my Dandavat pranams, and also after that my obeisances to the Vaishnavas, the mothers, the devotees of Mahaprabhu, although those eager to listen to Harikatha. My Dandavat pranams to all of you. So it's such a matter of so much bliss that we are. Where are those who would listen to Harikatha? They are preparing the prasadam. Come here. Listen 2 minutes, then you can do other things.
रेखा के घर में हम लोग आए, इसके नाम रेखा नहीं?
So you came to Rekha's house. Her name is Rekha, right?
अरे मैं तो बुलाता हूँ ना।
She said nobody called me Ranga Devi. Then Gurudev said, I call you Ranga Devi from now
आप
on.
देखने भी रंगा देवी जैसे लगते हैं।
You look like Ranga Devi.
अच्छा है, सुदेवी रंगा देवी।
Sudevi Ranga Devi.
हाँ। तो श्रीमद् भागवत में सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद कहते हैं महाराज
So Bhagavata Shukadeva Goswami said to Maharaj Parikshit
भगवत कीर्तन नहीं होता
that in that person's house where there is no Bhagavad Kirtan,
जिस घर में भगवत कथा नहीं होती,
in that house which there is no Bhagavad Kirtan,
महात्मा,
that house in which a saint doesn't come,
वो घर कैसे है?
that house is just like the cave of a snake, like the hole of a snake. You know the snake? The snake doesn't make its own hole. Actually, the rat, the mouse makes that hole and makes a hole. And then the snake eats the rats and then starts living in the hole. That's why. But the name we got know as like, oh, snake's hole. But actually who makes that hole is the rat, not the snake. So in the same way, people, they build their houses, they have family and everything, and just like they are making this cave. But if they don't do Bhagavad Bhajan, if they don't do Bhagavad Bhajan, this hole they are digging, just like the rat hole, it will be the snake hole. So even if you have, what's the name of the king of Indra, of Swarga, sorry, it's Indra. So even if you have so many wealth, just like Indra, if you didn't do Bhagavad Bhajan, if the saints don't come to your house, everything is useless. Because if the saint comes to your house becomes purified.
हम देखते थे घर तो पवित्र हो जाता है, धूल फूल लगा करके देखो इतने कितने सुंदर ये बेड लगाया,
so beautiful bed they put here,
किंतु शास्त्र
You might say, oh, but the saint, he came walking, and then I put this beautiful bed for him to sit, like this beautiful place, but his feet were dirty, and then he made like my house full of dust or some like mud from outside. So how is he purifying if he looks like he's making, like he's dirty, like making my house dirty, you know?
तो कहते नहीं,
But no,
बोले संत महात्मा आने से वो गृह
when the
कैसे
saint comes,
पवित्र हो जाता
the house
है।
is purified.
जिस प्रकार
Just like
गंगा के जल अतीव पवित्र होता
the water of the Ganges is so pure
है,
and
पतित
pure.
पावनी गंगा कहा जाता है।
Pure Ganga is called
कोई
Patit
भी पापी
Pavani.
भी
Like
गंगा में स्नान कर ले,
if
आचमन
any
कर ले,
person, even
सारे पापों के
a person who is a sinner, takes bath in the Ganges, all his sins are destroyed.
गृह में आने के साथ ही
So in the same way, if a saint comes to your
गृह
house,
पवित्र हो जाए।
your house becomes purified.
ये तो हमारे वैष्णव कीर्तन करते हैं।
So our Vaishnavas explain the
गंगा
kirtan.
गंगा से परस हुईले पश्चाते पावन दर्शने पवित्र करो यही तुम्हारा गुण। बोले देखो गंगा में स्नान करने पर
So if you bathe in the Ganges,
पवित्र होता है।
your
गंगा
heart,
कौन कौन गए
your
गंगा?
body becomes purified.
गंगा नहीं।
Who has gone to Ganga?
अब गंगा गए कहाँ
Have
पर
you
गए?
been to the Ganges?
काशगंज।
Where? In Kashi.
आप कहाँ गए?
And you?
नवद्वीप में स्नान किया।
In Navadvip.
आपने नवद्वीप में से आप हरिद्वार में स्नान कराए
In Haridwar.
हैं? त्रिवेणी में स्नान किया।
In the Triveni, the junction of the three rivers, Ganges, Jamuna, Saraswati, very
अभी
nice.
जो लॉकडाउन था पुरुषोत्तम महीने
Now in the month of Purushottam
में
in
हम लोग कुछ
lockdown,
भक्त लोग जो हम लोग गए थे
me and also some devotees, we went to Haridwar.
कम से कम तो हरिद्वार में हैं? ये भी गई डूब गई थी। हाँ बंसी वाली की हाँ डूब कैसे गई?
पता नहीं ज्यादा भाव था क्या था, ये अंदर ही अंदर जा रही थी। उनका गुरुदेव कह रही माँ, मैं कभी गुरुदेव ने आप अंतर लिए कह रही आपने बचाया तो गुरुदेव भी बचाए महाराज।
इसलिए कहते हैं गंगार परसोले पश्चात दर्शने पवित्र करो यही तुम्हारा। बोले भगवत भक्त के दर्शन होने से ही पवित्र हो
So if we have the darshan of devotee
गंगा
of
में जाना
God,
नहीं पड़ता है।
we become purified. Don't even need to go to the Ganges.
हाँ? नहीं भगवान ने इसलिए जीवन दान देते हैं ये संत महात्मा संग करे
So Lord gives you life so that you can do Bhagavad,
अच्छी बात है
like you can associate with the devotees of Lord, etc.
द्वारा भगवत भजन होता
If you have body, then you can do
है।
Bhagavad
छूट जाता है,
bhajan.
कभी नहीं कोई जाएगा।
If you give up your body, because you know, one day, today, tomorrow, after 100 years,
हाथी
you'll
भी
give up
कितने
your
साल
body.
तक बचे जीवित रहा
You see, for example, the elephants, they become alive for so many years, isn't it?
हाथी जीवित रहता है।
Bunch
कुछ
of
आज ये कहते हैं 300 साल तक जीवित रहता है।
So the elephants, they can live for 500 years. And the turtles, they can also live for 300 years. But
ऐसे भी है। हम अमेरिका गए जाते हैं।
I've been to America. In America, I saw
3000 5000 साल की।
some trees also there. They were like 3,000, 5,000 years old in America, in California.
अभी तक पड़े हुए हैं साल।
They're still there. They're very tall trees, very tall trees, so
तो
tall.
वहाँ पर आप लगा सकते हैं 3000 साल।
Imagine they're living for 3,000 years.
इतने बड़े-बड़े वृक्ष भी है कहते
Big trees, very long trees, tall trees
जी?
there.
कैलिफोर्निया में
In
कैलिफोर्निया
California,
में
in
देखा है
America,
बड़े-बड़े पेड़ हैं।
I've seen these
कहते हैं
long, very tall
एक-एक
trees.
पेड़ 3000 साल के।
So each tree has like 3,000 years
Yeah.
old.
और जो
It's
पेड़
3,000
पड़ा
years
हुआ है,
old.
मैं नीचे की मैं तूफान में गिर गया
So-
उससे जो है बिल्कुल जैसे हम भागवत की कथा सुनते हैं जी कृष्ण जैसे ओके क्या बोले सर्प
So some trees have fallen on the ground because of some storm or some hurricane or something, and they are so big that just like we remember when we listen in the Bhagavatam about Krishna and
अघासुर के जैसे बच गया था
about the shape of Aghasur,
अघासुर
You
ने
know?
उद्धार किया
how Krishna delivered Aghasur.
उद्धार कैसे किया जानते हो
You know how Krishna delivered Aghasur?
शरीर सांप के भांति
Because his body was so big, like a gigantic
ऐसे
snake.
लंबी कर दिया
And Aghasur put his tongue outside his mouth, very big also, very long tongue.
बस आगे बढ़े
So Krishna and his friends, they were playing, and then
कृष्ण जानते हैं ये आज अघासुर आए हैं मुझे निकलने के लिए
Krishna
तो भगवान
knew,
बोले,
oh,
ठीक है,
today
तू तो आ ही गया मैं तुम्हारे आज अंतिम कर देता हूँ
Aghasur came for me,
तो ब्रज
okay.
में जो जाते हैं ब्रज से कोई कभी
Because those who come to Braja, they never come back, Krishna was thinking.
निवर्तन
Those who came to Braj, they don't ever come back. Krishna was thinking, oh, my highest dham is Vrindavan, Braj. So if someone once comes to Vrindavan, the person will never come back. So the Sakhas, they were playing. And Aghasur was like in the shape of a gigantic python. Gigantic, very tall and everything. And Aghasur put his tongue, also very extended outside his body, very long. And then the Sakhas, friends of Krishna, they were playing. And they didn't recognize it was a snake. So the Sakhas saw that soft tongue, but they didn't know it was a snake. They thought, they thought, the friends of Krishna thought, oh, maybe there is a big festival going on, like some festival of prasad, like a wedding ceremony, because when there is some party, for example, that they put that red carpet, in front of the party place. So the Sakhas, they saw that red tongue of the Aghasur snake, and they thought, oh, it must be some red carpet for some party or something. So Krishna was sitting far, and Krishna told, oh, don't go Subal Sudam, but nobody wanted to hear Krishna's advice. Oh, we're so hungry,
कोई कहते थी भगवान, कोई कहते कुछ तू है, क्योंकि हम लोग तो भूख लग रहे हैं.
We just know we are feeling so hungry.
आज भंडारा हो रहा है.
We know there's some festival of prasad going on today. The Sakhas told.
नरम है ना, ऐसे प्यास दे देते.
Because it was so soft, the tongue of Aghasur. And then later they looked up, and they saw this big teeth of Aghasur. What is this? Oh no.
उनके जो बेडिंग है ना, वहाँ पर टांग करके रखे.
Because Aghasur had his mouth open, so his teeth was also coming from up. Sakhas told, no, this is just for the saints to go inside and eat. Some decoration or something. And later it was so dark. Oh, maybe it's dark because the generator has failed. That's why. Today the generator fails. That's why it's so dark here. Because sometimes in a wedding, it's possible that some generators failed and and everything is dark. It's possible, yeah. Time of lockdown. So the Sakhas told, oh, it's dark here, but no problem. Certainly. Certainly today the generator has failed, so okay, let's go further inside. So the Sakhas went and they came and they saw, oh, but this bad smell, where is this bad coming from? This bad smell. Oh, maybe they have some potato here which is like a little bit rotten. That's why this bad smell. Then Aghasur had his big eyes open. So Aghasur was thinking, when Krishna comes inside my mouth, I will also shut my mouth and Krishna and his friends will be stuck inside me. Then Krishna thought, oh, my friends have come inside Aghasur, and if I also... And Krishna was thinking, if I go there, and also like Aghasur, Krishna was thinking basically, oh, my Sakhas are inside his mouth, and what will I tell their mothers? Like, because they will tell the mothers of my friends will say, Krishna, you came back, but what is my son? And also my mother will say, Krishna was thinking. So the mothers, they will tell, the other mothers will tell my mother Jashoda, oh, Jashoda, your son came back, but where are our kids? Where are our kids? So Krishna is doing pastimes as like a human being. So suppose we go together somewhere. For example, that man, we went to Kamyavan Parikrama, one Panditani. So we were together. So we were. So we were in Kamyavan, and then we were like sleeping in the stone, like sliding in the stone. And but one Panditani, like one devotee, she went up in the hill, in the mountain. Where is the Panditani? She's not here.
हमारे गाड़ी छूट दिया हम सब आ गए ना हाँ
So we came to the car.
बोले पंडितानी आई नहीं.
So we were in the car, and basically we were already like heading out. And then we, after 2-4 minutes, we were like, oh, where is that Panditani? Like, means some devotee, I don't know who Gurudev is talking about, but some devotee, where is she?
सब रोने लगे बोले कोई बात नहीं फिर भी ये लोग पीछे था इनके गाड़ी पीछे था
Everybody,
भाई उनके कहीं ढूंढ करके लिया भाई हम लोग सब आएंगे बोले मथुरावासी हमें पिटाई करेंगे भाई तुम्हारे साथ में गए मैंने कहा गए आज बात.
So everybody was like crying a little bit desperate, but then they found somebody, and somebody was coming behind, and they could pick that person. Otherwise, imagine we come back to Mathura and everybody's like, okay, that she came with you, but where is she now? It would be a big problem. So if you go alone, it's one thing, but if you go together and you're going together, you have to, you're caring about those who are with you. Like of course, you worry if somebody is not there. So Krishna is making pastimes as like a human being.
कन्हैया विचार करने लगे.
So Krishna was thinking,
ये अघासुर के मुंह में चले गए.
If I go into the mouth of Aghasur also, big problem.
कन्हैया तेरे साथ हमारी बेटा गए गाय चराने के लिए बछड़ा चराने के लिए तू तो आ गया कन्हैया मेरा बेटा नहीं आया. और फिर मेरे माता पिता भी तंग करेंगे नहीं तेरे बेटा कैसे साथ में गए और मैं ले.
So imagine Krishna was thinking, what the consequences? What if I come back without my friends? What their mothers will tell me, saying that I come back alone. Where are their kids? And like this. Krishna was thinking what to do. My friends didn't want to listen to me. I told them not to go inside, but my friends went inside. So Krishna took 2-4 friends, like maybe Subhashidam, and he went. And Aghasur was thinking, I told him, human pastime. So Aghasur had a long tongue. Aghasur had a long tongue outside his mouth, right? So when Kanhaiya, Krishna, and his friends were coming inside the mouth of Aghasur, the mouth of Aghasur was like closing up, so his tongue was rolling back inside the mouth. And then the friends of Krishna and Krishna was thinking, oh, maybe this is kind of a lift, a lift, helping us to come. What is this? Oh, it's a lift. We're going up. Oh, yes. The friends told. Yeah, Kanhaiya, you know everything, right? Krishna said, yeah, of course I do. See, we are going by lift, like slowly, but actually Aghasur was rolling his tongue up, rolling inside his tongue, and bringing inside his mouth. No, what is this? No, nothing. This is certainly. At first I told that the generator had failed. So now the lift is also finished. Then the Sakas told, oh, Kanhaiya, this is true.
अरे होता ही रहता है ये ब्रज है.
But who lives here? Oh my.
कुछ सखा लोग कहने लगे कन्हैया यहाँ पर लिफ्ट कौन बनाते हैं?
Who is making this lift here? Krishna said, oh, this is Braj. Sometimes happens also in Braj. This lift, they exist in Braj.
अच्छा. कन्हैया सब सखा जो अंदर चले गए कन्हैया भी अंदर चले गए.
So all the sakhas went inside, Kanhaiya also, and then
बस लिफ्ट को अंदर में ले गया भाई. वो सांप क्या किया? अघासुर ने क्या की? बात शटर बंद कर दिया. भाई होता ही ना. एक बात करता हूँ मैं आपसे. देखो आप लिफ्ट में चढ़िए कभी?
Have you ever?
कहाँ चढ़े बताओ? लिफ्ट पहले खोल देते हैं, ओपन कर देते हैं. फिर जब अंदर चले जाते हो ना तो अब एक दरवाजा वो बंद हो जाता है. फिर आप चलते रहो जो दबा दोगे ना 10 मंजिल चलो.
Okay, have you ever ridden in a lift? Have you ever gone somewhere by lift? So you come inside and the door shuts, then you press the button, you press the button, door shuts, then you go to that bru 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 bru, like you go to that floor.
कहाँ पे गिर पड़ी? नीचे.
So he's saying that he fell inside the. Gurudeva thought he said the lift fell, but actually the man fell inside the lift. This devotee there.
भाई अभी तो बंद हो गया. कन्हैया पर सखा लोग को ले कन्हैया ये क्या बात है सांस नहीं लेनी पा रहे.
Oh, Kanhaiya, what is happening? We are not able to breathe.
कम हो गया यहाँ पर.
Looks like there's. Oh no, don't worry. It looks like there's less oxygen here.
है हम लोग ज्यादा ऊपर आ गया ना. हो सकता है लिफ्ट से ज्यादा ऊपर आ जाते हैं.
Because we are so tall, we are so high. When we are so much high altitude, there's less air, so it's common there's not so much oxygen here.
सखा लोग कोई चिंता मत करो, थोड़े करें। बोले क्या करूं?
Then the friends told,
सखा लोग
Krishna
कहने
told,
लगे,
don't
सखा
worry.
लोग कहने लगे, कन्हैया अभी तो ऑक्सीजन, हाँ तू तो सही बता रहे हो, ऑक्सीजन हम लोग के दम घुटते जा रहे हैं, दम घुटते जा रहे हैं, क्या करें? बोले तू चिंता मत कर, आंख बंद कर ले।
So there's less oxygen and we're feeling so much pressure. And Krishna told, don't worry, just close your eyes, just shut your eyes. Then friends of Krishna closed his eyes, closed their eyes.
शरीर को ऐसे
Then
फुलाया,
Kanhaiya,
बिल्कुल आग की गोला जैसे हो गया।
Krishna, like he
और
made his
आवाज
body
के जो है, अंदर में जो
big.
है, इसके हमारे अंदर में आप देखते हैं, इसके अंदर में
and very hot like a fire.
हाँ उसके अंदर में है, और उसके ऊपर और भी कृष्ण ने क्या कि शरीर के
So Krishna, he like puffed up his body very big.
दिखा रही क्या होते हैं,
And Aghasura was like, what is going on? Aghasura could not even open his mouth.
है, वो तो मुख बंद कर दिया, है बिल्कुल शटर बंद हो गया ना अभी तो। और क्या करें, अघासुर के आंख है क्या बोले, दोनों आंख ऐसे बाहर आ गया।
So the two eyes of Aghasura were coming out of his head.
उसके अंदर में तालु होता है, इसके अंदर उसके ब्रह्म तालु जिसको कहते हैं, उसके फट।
So Krishna, he burst the top of the mouth of Aghasura from inside.
फट गया,
That burst.
हो गया ना, तो अब देखा अघासुर के प्राण वायु।
So then the pranavayu, the life, like the soul of Aghasura came out from that place and was like moving in the sky. Krishna thought, oh, my friends are fainted here. So Krishna said, okay. Krishna clapped his hands.
देखो अभी वो वही है ना, क्या बोले, नहीं वो नीचे आ गया ना भाई, क्या बताया था, लिफ्ट अभी नीचे आ गया।
So now the lift was coming down.
इधर ऊपर चढ़ गया था ना,
Because they had gone so up, no? Now it was coming down.
लिफ्ट नीचे आ गया ना भाई, नहीं तो उतरेंगे कैसे, इतना बड़ा शरीर। भागवत में
Because you know the body of Aghasura is so big. Bhagavatam explains that when Aghasura opened his mouth and put his tongue outside,
हिमालय से भी विशाल पर्वत की भांति है।
the body of Aghasura and the size of his mouth and everything opened, it was like just like the size of Himalaya mountain.
और उसके ऊपर उठा ले तो कैसे, तो भगवान ने क्या कि अघासुर के प्राण तो नीचे चले गए, और नीचे चले जाने के साथ ही साथ अघासुर के फिर ये ना नीचे आ गया, कोई मानता है ना ऐसे।
So when the soul of Aghasura left from the top of his like head or something, so automatically his mouth opens, you know, like, because when somebody dies, like Gurudev is making the image, you can see when somebody dies, the person automatically, you can see Gurudev's movement.
साथ ही साथ अघासुर के फिर ये ना नीचे आ गया, कोई मरता है ना ऐसे मुंह फाड़ करके मर जाए।
When somebody dies, their mouth opens. Have you seen this? Some people, some people die with open mouth shut, open eyes, shut eyes, because some people can die in many ways. What can you say? But many people die with open mouth. So Bhagavan, so this is the jaw of Aghasura. So Krishna, like the jaw of Aghasura also fell down, like fell open up. And Krishna, with the help of Jogamaya, he clapped his hands, and all the friends of Krishna, they became alive again, and then they came outside. But the Sakas, they didn't realize exactly what had happened inside Aghasura. So Sakas were saying, oh, today we couldn't get the feast, Prasadam feast. There was no lights, like, you know, electricity was cut, so we couldn't have the Prasadam feast. So Krishna told to his friends, look, today we came late. That's why I couldn't get the feast prasadam. Okay. So Sakas were glorifying Krishna. And then they came back, they came outside and came back to their places. So one story I forgot, I didn't say it, now I'll tell. When the soul of Aghasura came from the top of his head and came out. Amazing. Because when Krishna was inside the mouth of Aghasura with his friends, all that time the soul of Aghasura was still like moving, flying in the sky. And then when Krishna came out of the mouth of Aghasur with his friends, something amazing happened. Brahmaji saw. We didn't see. Who saw? Brahmaji, what did he see? That the soul of Aghasur was like a lightning or a light moving in the sky for such a long time. But then when Krishna came out, the soul of Aghasur came inside the effulgence emanating from the toenails of Krishna. Agasur's soul merged into that. Then Brahmaji, he thought, oh, Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan. Because Shastra explains that those who are killed by Lord Sri Hari, their soul merges into the effulgence of the Nakachandrama, the effulgence emanating from the toenails of Lord. So those who are killed by Lord, this happens to them. So this is called Brahma Sayuja. So this Aghasur that pastime described in the Shastra. But which kind of punya karma did Aghasur? Because so many great sannyasis and are you listening? Great sannyasis, they are doing bhajan for thousands of years. And they cannot get merged into Brahma. It's not so easy, to merge in Brahma. We think it's easy, but it's not. Many saints, to merge in Brahma, they are doing hard austerities, controlling their senses and doing so many things for many. But even nowadays, if you go to the Himalayas, you see so many saints. They are like naked, and they are doing hard austerities in the Himalayas. Why they are doing all of this? Because they want to merge into the effulgence of Lord. So if you go to Vrindavan, they are known as like Brahmaling Mahatma, 1108 Brahmaling Mahatma. Means they want to merge in Brahma. That's why they're doing so many austerities. They're not ordinary. So here our acharyas explain that Aghasur didn't do any austerity. Aghasur actually came in Braj to kill Krishna. Just like a gigantic python, he was in that form. But what is, tell the previous life of Aghasur. How did he attain the Brahma Jyoti, like the effulgence of Lord? So in this context, our acharyas explain, look, listen about the previous life of Aghasur. What is your previous life story? Do you know your previous life story? I know your previous life story. I also tell the previous life story. Okay, but now listen about Aghasur's life history, previous life. The saints, they know everything, of course.
कहाँ चले जाएंगे, काल कहाँ जाए, काल यहीं पर रहेंगे वो तो जाएंगे 9 तारीख को जाएंगे कहाँ?
Where will I go?
जगन्नाथपुरी जाएंगे.
We'll go to Jagannathpuri.
वो जाने की कोई रास्ता थोड़ी है उसके, छोड़ेंगे नहीं हम लोग.
There's no
है वो जाएंगे जगन्नाथपुरी जाएंगे, समुद्र में गोता लगाएंगे और क्या करेंगे?
So he'll go to Jagannathpuri,
महाप्रसाद,
bathe in the Jamuna, in the ocean. Sorry.
हमने जो क्या कहा सुना था, क्या बोला था?
I think because somebody is leaving on the 9th, so Gurudev to Jagannath Puri and you'll bathe in the ocean and have Jagannath Darshan. So
अघासुर के पूर्वजन्म की इतिहास मुझे बताओ.
Okay, but tell me about the previous life of Aghasur.
ये पूर्वजों ने ऐसे कौन से कर्म किया?
Which karma he did in the previous life?
जोगियों की जो ब्रह्म ज्योति जो ऐसे स्थान को प्राप्त कर दिया.
That he got this position desired by even great yogis.
इसकी कथा हमें पुराण में है.
So this story is in the Puranas.
पूर्व जन्म में जो है,
Aghasur in his previous life, he was a beautiful
गंधर्व था, नित्य गीत आदि करके बहुत सुंदर था वो.
He was singing, dancing. His body was so beautiful.
एक दिन,
one day,
किसी रास्ते में जा रहे थे और हमारे
he was going in some place.
ऋषि अष्टावक्र ऋषि जो का था. अष्टावक्र
so there was Astavakra Rishi. Do you know him? Astavakra Rishi is bent in 8 parts of his body.
ऐसे टेढ़े मेढ़े होकर के ऐसे चल
He was walking like a crooked, like bent,
और वो
because he
देखो
was a little bit
किसी-किसी
like
जिसका जो
crippled,
रूप सुंदर होता
like
है ना,
a
वो
disabled.
अहंकार होता है, दूसरे के देख
And
करके
you know, those who are
हंसी
very
मजाक
beautiful,
करते
they
हैं
are so much
और
proud, and so
देखो,
they make fun
तो
of
उसी
others,
प्रकार
they
वो
make fun of
गंधर्व जो
others
है,
like this. So this Gandharva,
अष्टावक्र ऋषि को देख करके हंसी
seeing
मजाक करने
Asravakarishi,
लगे।
he
आहा,
made fun of him.
ऋषि आप कैसे सुंदर हो,
Oh, Rishi, you're so
कैसे चल
beautiful.
रहे हो,
Huh? How do you
ऐसे
walk?
करने
Oh,
लगे।
like this,
साधु
making
कुछ
fun
नहीं
of him.
बोलते पहले।
But the sadhu didn't say
साधु
anything.
बोले अच्छा ठीक है, ये
Sadhu
मूर्ख
said,
है, इसको
okay,
क्या
he's a
उल्टे
foolish
करोगे।
person. What can I say?
किंतु
do?
बार बार
But again and
वो
again,
गंधर्व
this
जो है
Gandharva
अष्टावक्र ऋषि के
was
पास में आकर के और भी चिढ़ाने लगे,
provoking, like
देख करके हंसी मजाक आदि करने लगे।
making fun of
अष्टावक्र ऋषि
Asravakarishi and making fun of him.
महात्मा
Then Asravakarishi said,
आई
"Oh,
तुझे
you foolish!
मुझे मजा
You don't know the saints. So I'll teach you a lesson.
तू मेरे ऐसे रूप को देख करके तो हंसी मजाक कर रहे हो,
You are making fun of me. Oh,
संत महात्मा के साथ हंसी मजाक करना आई चखाता हूँ।
oh, you're
जा,
making fun of the
सर्प
saints.
बन जा।
So
सर्प
you
सांप
see, you
जैसे
become a
टेढ़े
snake,
मेढ़े चलते
just
हैं,
like a snake.
होता है,
Also is crooked,
हैं, तू ऐसे बन
and
जा।
you also become
सांप
like a
होता है ना,
snake.
ऊपर की तरफ मोटा होता है, नीचे की तरफ
And you see, the snake
की
is
तरफ
fat
पतला
in the beginning and of her body, and at the end near the tail,
तू ऐसे
the
बन
snake
जा।
is very
और फिर
thin.
दो जिहा बन जाएगा।
So also you
सांप के
have
कितने
two
जिहा होता
tongues.
है?
You know, the snake, they have two
और
tongues.
दो दांत भी होता है ऊपर
Also
सामने
two-
दो दांत, जिसे विशाल दांत का जिसे
That too big, the how do you say,
नीचे क्या
the
होता है,
fangs.
बीच के जो है
You know that
जहाँ
fangs,
के
the,
खली
the
रहता है।
two teeth
जा
in the front of her,
सांप बन जा।
the upper, like
हैं?
in her mouth,
बस
where
ऐसे खाने के सांप
the
की
snake
सांप
puts
डर
the
गए
venom.
हैं?
So listening to this,
क्या
the
डर गए
Gandharva was
सांप को?
afraid.
हैं, क्या हुआ पता नहीं, देख के तो उनके शरीर भी कैसे विकराल रूप धारण कर रहे हैं सांप के भांति था। और जल्दी जल्दी आकर के
So quickly-
अष्टावक्र ऋषि के चरण पकड़ लिए।
He came and caught hold of the feet of
अरे
Asravakarishi and said,
मुझे
Maharaj,
क्षमा कर दीजिए। बोले,
please forgive
साधु-
me.
साधु के हृदय कैसे नवनीत
Because you know, the hearts of the
संत
sadhus,
हृदय-
they are softer than butter.
तुलसीदास जी कहते हैं। बोले,
Softer than
नहीं,
butter.
अरे बरो
Tulsidas explains.
मक्खन को हाथ में लगा उंगली लगाने पर
When you
जो हाथ
touch
की
the
उंगली के
butter,
ताप से मक्खन जो है
From the heat of your body,
पिघल जाता है।
the
बोले,
butter
संत महात्मा
melts.
उससे भी है, केवल किसी
But
का
the
दुख
saints
देखने
are
से
even
ही
more
उसके हृदय
merciful than that. Just by seeing other
कहते हैं
people's
संत
sorrow, the
नवनीत
saints'
से भी अधिक
hearts melt.
है।
So they are even softer than butter, their
जब
hearts.
वो अप्सरा जब है गंधर्व जब उनको चरण पकड़ लिया और बोले महाराज मेरी क्षमा कर दे। अष्टावक्र वो मुझसे
So he got
ने
hold
कहा,
of the feet of Asravakarishi, the Gandharva, and asked for forgiveness. Then the Asravakarishi told, "Oh, I already gave
महाराज
you
मुझे क्षमा कर दे।
a
बोले, जाओ, द्वापर
curse,
युग में
but
कृष्ण
okay, but in Dwapara Yuga, Krishna will come, and
और तुम उस समय
at that
अघासुर
time
के रूप में तेरा जन्म होगा।
you will be born as a
है,
Ghasur,
सर्प
and
होकर के फिर भगवान कृष्ण तुझे
Bhagavan
इस शरीर
Krishna
से
will
मुक्ति दिलाएंगे।
deliver you
बोले,
from this body."
वृंदावन विहारी। है देखो संत महात्मा की कृपा हो जाती
You see, this is the mercy of a
महात्मा
saint.
जो है
Sometimes
हैं,
a
क्रोध से
saint,
जो अभिशाप दे वो भी
by anger, he gives you some curse, but
वरदान
actually
के
is a blessing to you.
इसलिए अघासुर के वृत्तांत कथा में
So
सुनाया
we heard this
है।
story
बड़े
of
इसमें श्रीमद्
Aghasur.
भागवत में लिखा है अघासुर के
So in
वृत्तांत
the
कथा
Bhagavatam
सुनने
explains
से
that if you listen to the story of
कथा सुनने से
Aghasur, if you listen to
जीव
the
के समस्त
story,
पाप
all the
क्या होता है?
sins of the soul are destroyed.
अघासुर का अघ माने पाप।
Aga means
अघ शब्द की
sin.
संस्कृत में
So in Sanskrit,
अघ शब्द के
Agha,
अर्थ क्या
Aga
बताया?
means what?
पाप
Sin,
है
right?
वो मानो वो साक्षात जो पाप की मूर्ति था
So he was
और
the
भगवान
embodiment
क्या
of
थी? उनके सारे
sin,
पापों के
Aghasur.
नष्ट कर दिया।
So Bhagavan destroyed all his
तात्पर्य क्या है?
sin.
किसी भी पापी तापी के हृदय में एक बार
So if
भगवान
you have
प्रवेश कर जाए
sins and
है,
everything, but
वो
if
सारे
God
पाप
comes
नष्ट
in
हो
your
जाते
heart,
हैं। जैसे
then
अघासुर
all
में
these sins
भगवान
are destroyed.
प्रवेश किया।
Like you see,
आप
Krishna
कहेंगे,
came
हमारे मुंह में
inside
हमारी
of
अंदर में भगवान
Aghasur.
कैसे प्रवेश
But you
करेगा?
can think, oh, how
जब
God
नाम
will
करते
enter
हैं।
inside my heart, inside me.
नाम ही जो
Why, if you
साक्षात
chant holy
भगवत
names,
स्वरूप है,
because you know
कलयुग
holy
में
names
नाम ही रूप में ही
is
भगवान
God
प्रकट
Himself.
और
In
नाम
Kali
करो
Yuga,
ना,
God
हरे
manifests His
कृष्ण,
holy
ये
names.
देखो,
So if you
शब्द
sing,
ब्रह्म
chant
ये
Hare
कान के
Krishna,
अंदर से में
the
जाकर
Shabda
के
Brahma is
तुम्हारे
coming
अंदर हृदय में आ जाता
inside
है।
your ears
हैं?
and coming
कान
to
में
your
भीतर
heart.
दिया मोरा में पसे लोगो क्या बोला कान के अंदर में
So it comes
आकर के
inside your
तुम्हारे
ears
हृदय में आ
and
जाता
then
है,
comes
और
your
हृदय में
heart.
जितने प्रकार
And these
के
holy names will
पाप
clean
आदि जो
all
हैं,
these
एक नहीं अनंत करोड़ जीवन के
coins of
जितने भी पाप
sins from unlimited
सारे पाप
lives
को क्या कर दिया है?
will be completely
ध्वंस कर देता है।
destroyed.
यथाकर्षणवत है जिसका अभी ठंडी के आ रहे ना 15
Just
दिसंबर
like
में
now.
देखना कुछ दिखाई नहीं पड़ेगा आपको इतने कोरा पड़ जाएगा है
So much like a haze.
होता है कि नहीं हर
You
साल
don't.
है एक महीने पूरा अभी तो अच्छा दिखाई पड़ेगा 5-7 दिन के बाद ना आपके घर में आ ही नहीं पाएंगे दिखाई
Okay, now the weather is still good, like, but after 5 or 7 days, there'll be so much like haze, you know, because of the cold also, and then We cannot even see properly. If I would come to your house, I could not even see the proper path to come.
है? किंतु देखो सूर्य उदित होने के साथ
But
सूर्य जब उदय
when the
सूर्य
sun
के
rises
किरण जब
by
तेज
the,
आता है,
the rays of the
वो क्या
sun,
होता है?
then all
वो
this
भी
haze
धीरे-धीरे कोहरा भी
dispels,
हट जाता है
you
और
know.
दिखाई पड़ता है। उसी प्रकार
So in the same way,
एक बार कोई भगवान के
if
नाम
once you chant holy
यही
names,
नाम प्रभु
Nama
शब्द
Prabhu,
ब्रह्म के रूप में
in the form of
कान के अंदर
Shabda
में
Brahma,
जाता
comes
है
inside your
और
ears
हृदय में आकर के
and comes to your
हमारे
heart,
हृदय में जितने प्रकार के
and
पाप
all
राशि
kinds
है,
of
वो क्या कर
bad
देता
things
है?
in your heart to be destroyed by Nama Prabhu.
भगवान के नाम करना
So
चाहिए।
you should chant holy names.
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हाँ, अभी ठाकुर जी के आरती कर लीजिए।
Now let's do the arati of the
उसके बाद
deity.
जो है थोड़ा प्रसाद अभी 1:30 बजते जा रहे हैं,
Take prasad.
15 हो गया।